video, I'm going to show you how to separate the batch of documents by their barcode.
Choose the button you want to configure or create a separate button for barcode batch scanning. Tap on Scan Settings and scroll down to Split PDF/TIFF. Tap Disable and enable barcode. Set the type of barcode, and if it's different barcodes, scroll down and select Auto 1D. Then, choose the position and filter. When you enable barcode split, the quality must be at a minimum of 300 dpi. And the scan settings are set to multi-page PDF and multi-page TIFF formats. When the scanner is done processing your documents, the preview window will show the documents are separated by color at the top. You can preview your batch scan and make any necessary edits before saving to the desired destination. Scanning done easy!